Understanding data cleaning. Simplifying the concept. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and essential topic in the world of data and technology. Data cleaning. Whether you're new to data science or just curious about it, this video will help you understand what data cleaning is all about. Data cleaning, sometimes referred to as data cleansing, is the process of correcting or removing inaccurate records from a dataset. Imagine you have a list of addresses, but some of them are incomplete or misspelled. Data cleaning would involve fixing these errors to ensure that the dataset is accurate and reliable. In the world of data, accuracy is key. Incorrect or messy data can lead to false conclusions and poor decisions, especially when used in analytics or machine learning. By cleaning data, we make sure that it's not just large in quantity but also high in quality. Data cleaning can involve several steps, such as 1. Removing duplicates. This means deleting repeated data entries. 2. Correcting errors, like fixing spelling mistakes or incorrect values. 3. Dealing with missing values. Sometimes data is incomplete. We can either remove these entries or try to fill in the gaps sensibly. 4. Standardizing data formats. Ensuring that all data follows a consistent format, like dates being in DDMYYYY format. There are various tools available for data cleaning, ranging from simple spreadsheet software like Excel to more advanced tools like Python or R programming languages, which offer greater flexibility and power for complex datasets. Data cleaning can be time-consuming and complex, especially for large datasets. It requires a keen eye for detail and a good understanding of what constitutes clean data. Sometimes, deciding how to handle ambiguous or missing data can be challenging. That's all for today on data cleaning. I hope this video has shed light on what data cleaning is and why it's so important in our data-driven world. Remember, good data leads to good decisions. Stay curious, and keep learning.